In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock the menu bar on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, the steps are exactly the same. Right now you can see that the menu bar is hidden. It only appears when I move my cursor to the top of the screen, and as soon as I move the cursor away, it disappears again. If you want to keep the menu bar always visible, here's how to lock it. First, open System Settings. You can find it in your dock or by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Once System Settings is open, you'll see a list of options on the left. If you're using macOS Ventura, Sonoma, Sequoia, or a newer version, the interface will look like this. From the left sidebar, click Control Center, or Menu Bar depending on your macOS version. On the right side, find the option Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. Right now, mine is set to Always, which is why the menu bar only appears when I move my cursor to the top. To keep the menu bar visible at all times, click the drop-down and select Never. As soon as you choose Never, the menu bar will stay permanently visible at the top of your screen and won't disappear anymore, no matter where your cursor is. And that's it. Your menu bar is now locked and always visible. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.